This is first network of pipeline in India. Its name is Naharkatia-Nunamati-Barauni pipeline. This pipeline starts from Upper Assam to Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. So you need to remember these two states. It starts from Upper Assam and goes to Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Now let's see the first branch of this pipeline. This starts from Upper Assam. Then here it is Guwahati. Then it is Barauni. After that here Allahabad and then Kanpur. So this is the first branch of this pipeline. Now let's talk about second branch. So second is from Barauni to Haldia. From Barauni. This place is Barauni. After that this is in West Bengal, in south of West Bengal there is Haldia. Via Rajband. Which one is Rajband? Here it is Rajband. So first branch we have done from Upper Assam to Kanpur. Second branch, this is from Barauni to Haldia. Now third branch. Third branch is from Rajband to Morigram. So it is Rajband and Rajband to here it is Morigram. This is third branch. And there is one more branch, that is from Guwahati to Siliguri. Here it is Guwahati and here it is Siliguri. So these are the four branches of this pipeline. That's name is Naharkatia-Nunamati-Barauni pipeline. In this map, you can see second important pipeline network of India. This pipeline is an oil pipeline. Oil is transported from oil fields which are there in Gujarat like Salaya. And from here, oil is transported to Jalandhar in Punjab via Viramgam, Mathura, Delhi, Panipat, Sonipat in Haryana and Jalandhar in Punjab. So, what is the importance of this pipeline? From oil fields, oil is transported to oil refineries in this northern part of India in these states like Mathura in Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Panipat, Sonipat in Haryana and then in Jalandhar, Punjab. So this is second important pipeline. It has some branches also like Koyali and there is one Chakshu in Rajasthan. Next important pipeline is HBJ gas pipeline, also known as HVJ gas pipeline. That also I will tell you why it is known as HBJ or HVJ. See from where this pipeline is. This pipeline is constructed to provide the supply of gas for the industrial use and for domestic use. Okay, and it starts from Hazira in Gujarat and then here is the point Bijapur. So here this Bijapur is also known as Vijaypur. So because of this name, this point Bijapur and Vijaypur, B and V is used, also known as HBJ, also known as HVJ. So don't get any kind of confusion. Don't keep any kind of confusion in your mind. Also known as HBJ, also known as HVJ because of this Bijapur or Vijaypur, that is the same place. After that, this is providing its supply to Jagdishpur. So Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh. This is your pipeline which is known as HBJ pipeline or HVJ gas pipeline. It has some branches also. There is one branch in Rajasthan, Kota. And later on it was extended here in Shah Jahan Shahjahanpur in Uttar Pradesh, and after that here it is Babrala, and then in Haryana Panipat. So these are some branches of this pipeline.